Hey, it's Chef Chris over at Butterfun Kitchen, and it's the holiday season. There's nothing like baking something delicious for friends and family. So today I'm doing my version of cinnamon rolls. And I'm also using the Anolon Eminence non-stick bakeware. I'm telling you, it is by far some of the best non-stick bakeware on the market today. But let's get back to the cinnamon rolls. So in this dish, it's a basic dough. There's dried cranberries, there's pecans, there's cinnamon, there's nutmeg, tons of butter. And if you'd like, you can also do a different version for yourself with maybe some roasted pumpkin, some winter spice, some dry sage, make it a bit more savory. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And I would definitely recommend getting your hot chocolate ready because these bad boys are great for friends and family. And here's what it looks like when it's all done. The one cool thing about this Anolon pan right here is that it comes with a cake tray that you can just pop this bad boy right on there and you can head on off to grandma's house. Enjoy. Happy holidays.